What is up, everybody? Welcome into this new video Tech Express. Let's take a look and we'll be showing you which for us is the best website builder in the 2023. I've been looking, we've been taking a look into which one is the best, and Forbes Advisor tell us like Webly, GoDaddy, Ionos, Squarespace is like the best tools that you can use, but actually it's totally depending on what you're actually trying to look for. For example, if I wanted to sell some stuff or I want to make some drop shipping, I believe that maybe Shopify is one of the best tools that we can use. And of course they had a starting price of $19 per month. We need to just drag and drop editor. There's an e-commerce low price plan, zero, and actually do that. I some website that I actually don't know so good, but I can tell you, like so far, the best website that I can show you that I think is one of the best tools so far, it's Wix. Wix, why did these actually pick Wix? Wix is a website builder that can be helping you to do almost any kind of advisement, even this for a small company, for yourself as an individual, or for a big company. So in order to get started to create here into Wix, what you wanted to do is to just use an email, or you can use a Gmail, or you can use your Facebook account, or you can just sign it in whatever you want to. In my case, I'm going to be using a Google account, so I'm going to do this like really fast, and I'm going to be showing you how easy it is to use the best website builder so far in 2023. Now, as you can see, now that I just signed it in, it's going to be asking you who are you creating a website for myself or for a client. Of course, you want to look out for yourself. Hit into continue, or then later on you can choose the skipped button. So this one's going to be telling you, sending you into what kind of website are you creating. So once again, if I wanted to create like a portfolio, I choose this option. If I wanted to create something as specifically speaking about a restaurant or an event or an online store, I choose this option, and Wix is going to be helping you to categorize, to add products and elements and blocks that can be helping you to make this a little bit more faster. For example, let's say that I want to choose an event. So I choose event, and you can choose event announcement, event decoration, event designer, management company, planner. If I choose the event designer and hit into next, this one is going to be taking me into the templates that we can use in order to create our actual website. We have there's actually two ways that we can do this. We can use templates from Wix, or what we can do is to let Wix manage and create our website totally for free. So here into what's the name of your business, let's go for TX Designs. What is your business address? I want to leave it like that and hit into next. Now, speaking about the working hours, I'm going to leave it like here. Adding services, all these elements of course are going to be helping you just to manage and input those automatically into your website. For example, if you wanted to add some stuff to clients can know who they can book with. For example, here's staff member number 1, there's an email optional, staff member number 2, staff member number 3, 4, and whatever. So this is basically speaking about what I wanted to look out for an event promoter. So if I go into continue my dashboard, it's going to be sending me into this is where the actual magic begins. Speaking about the creation of a website, let's focus into design a site here into the upper side. And then how would you like to design your website? As I just told you, we can use a design template, or we can let Wix create a site for us. I do love to use to pick a template because it's a little bit more faster and easy to just look out for the elements that can be helping me to, I think that I kind of like the best depending on what I'm actually looking for. So if I choose event designer, it's going to be helping me to look for the best tool. For example, we have the grid design conference, the event planning company, wedding planner, graphic designer, interior designer. Now let's gonna all go up, and instead of event designer, let's go and look out for something different so you can check it out. More templates. Let's go for portfolio. Search for portfolio category. This one should be taking me here. Now I have a portfolio as an artist, as a photographer, as an illustrator. More about photographers, videographer. Let's say that I am an artist or an actor. So if I scroll all the way up, I look out for actor portfolio, and as you can see, we have acting resume, drag queen style. So this is how we can use Wix. I mean, we can use a lot, but really a lot of templates. And if you actually love what you're looking, just hit into view. For example, let's say that I choose view before I can edit this template, and this one should be taking me into the free view version of this site, and check it out how this actually works. So we have the logo, we have the title, we have the image. People can create their account. We have the shopping back here, book me, let them have it, upcoming events. So this actually looks really awesome, and I can edit this as I wanted to. So at the end of the day, this is how we can get started here with the Wix. Hitting to edit this site, and this one should be taking you into the actual editor of Wix, so we can start by editing our actual elements. So once again, I don't want to focus into the photos, I don't want to focus into the colors, I just want to focus into what are the elements that appears in here, so I can later on change those. So here into my Wix website editor, as you can see, this one is going to be loading really quick, and we are now inside the editor. So instead of choosing the from the house of Morgana, Feta, blah blah blah, you can change the actual name. So I'm going to just wait a few seconds until the Wix booking has been added automatically. I go with remind me later. I choose this section. I go with quick edit. And check it out, we have the column background, we have the column background number 2, and the section background. So I'm going to choose column background. I choose this option, choosing to change. And instead of choosing this option, let's say that I want to choose something related into my branding. So let's say that I wanted to focus into something, let's say for example, something more with the architectonic, and this is how it's going to be looking. And the design and the actual animation and all that is actually just still like that. So you're going to publish once you finish that, and there we go. So this actual free version is going to give us a site, a URL custom, totally for free, that we can use without having to pay absolutely for anything. As you can see here, it is just that you have to consider that in the upper side where you have this site was to sign up with the Wix.com, create your website today. If you wanted to delete those banners, you need to pay for an actual plan. But take a look into how it's going to be looking. Actually looks really great. All of the actual elements, you can go back into your site, and here you should see that this one should be now published. So I'm going to click here, I click into my site, and here should be appearing my actual site. So I'm going to select and edit site. They should be taking me into the dashboard of the actual Wix, and inside the dashboard we have integrations, we have the settings, we have managing tools, we have marketing, we have CEO, we have really a lot of tools into Wix, and all of that is of course totally for free. Here we have communications, automations, marketing and CEO, email marketing, Facebook and ad integrations, Google ads, coupons, analytic and reports. I can add some tail channel, and into the app market I have really lots of integration that I can use and add into this actual store or into one or more websites inside Wix.com. So that's the reason why I think this is like one of the best tools that can be helping you to build a professional website. So it's really like so trendy right now. So I think that I have covered now the basics, but just in case you have any questions, you can leave it down below in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching the video, guys. Hopefully this was a very useful information so you can check it out Wix by yourself. I'm going to leave you a link down below in the description so you can check it out by yourself, guys. So thank you once again for watching the video, and hopefully guys, I'll see you on the next video. See you next time.